Okay. So last video in Mountain Blade War in Idiot and Mountain Blade, we, as you guys might recall, we went to war as a vassal of the Kingdom of Rhodox, and we got destroyed. We just got destroyed. So we're here in my village, and we're gonna get up a bunch of recruits, and we are gonna lift up our army from ashes. Let's do this. Oh, at Colmar Castle. I'm a bit busy right now. I'd say. Yeah, I'm busy. I gotta rebuild my army. Cause right now I just have a bunch of recruits. Actually, what I'm gonna do, Artimener can upgrade. Let me see your skills. He's an engineer, but he'll also be a trainer. He can also be a trainer. Why not? Also, let's just get his skills up. Do I have any equipment I can give him? I can give him the mighty weapon, smoked fish. Oh, I can't give it. That would be kind of funny. We have 21 Rhodoc tribesmen. That should be good. No! I wish I could help. I really do. Some of them are ready to be upgraded. Oh no, I forgot to make them.
Stand and deliver.
Fine. Fine. We're gonna lose so many. Okay, I have a lot of recruits. So I'm also pretty sure we have the numbers advantage, but we don't have the training advantage. And we don't have our our massive amount of crossbowmen that could easily pick up a Swadian charge. Obviously, it didn't do so the other day. But... No. No, I refuse to believe. Oh, we're done. This will be a true shocker if I actually do come out victorious. Nuts! Not giving up hope yet. What is I'm on normal. Okay. Dang. Wow. Wow. That was honestly that. Give it up for Count Henry. I slew like 20. Jeez. Alright, let's see if we can take down the let's see if we can take them down with just me and Artimener. Brothers till the end. Unless he dies here. Go! Get over here. Save the brother. Avenge him now. I got this bastard. Gonna upgrade some people. Let's go. We're already on a okay comeback. Let's Archmanor. For your bravery, I will reward you with. Let's see. Is there anything I can give him that's better than what he has right now? Doesn't appear. So I don't use that rusty greatsword. Oh, what he could use is a lance. Okay. We're going back to Velaka.
My men would like a word with you about your personal belongings.
Fuck. uh, um, okay. We have a better chance, I feel like, right now. Because now we have our beloved crossbowman. I'm gay for these guys. I'm gay. Come on. Infantry, stand closer. Get. Oh, I see them. Oh, I think you guys got a hit. Damn. Yeah, level 1 crossbowmen are not that bad. Okay. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Now you can fire at will, because they're all on the other side of the hill. Oh no! How are we losing? Y'all are gonna have to pay life insurance. Trust me, you don't want to do that. We took them down. W. Shut the. I wish there was an option to tell your companions to shut the fuck up, because after like a battle, after you get defeated, he's like, "You got defeated! Oh my god!" And I was like, "You try to do this." Let's just rest up in Velaka, because I know, because now we have decent troops. Actually, let's sell our stuff. me check. I think that will be the end of this video. We have rebuilt mostly our ranks. We just need to. Is it worthy? Is it worth it? No, it's not. Oh yeah, we got a lot to upgrade. Are we all good? We're all good. Let's go find one final battle, baby. Oh my god, we are outnumbered. We are outdone! What? Q Hamilton. Alright. No. No, no, no. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Don't waste every single arrow you have on. Alright. Bolt. Bolt. I said bolt. I said bolt. Oh, they're some slow ass motherfuckers, aren't they? You know, just fire at will. I'll give you guys a raise if you hit them. Okay. Oh, here comes the killing. The general called him the killing. I got you, homie. We got you, homie! Time to clap it. I'm gonna tap that ass. Find and kill. Oh, my horse. Oh, look at the horse. Selfie. Oh, I can't do it. Yeah, you guys get that. I'm in this video. Alright, so, he's somewhere over there. I'm trying to get stick keys, because that's the only way I can access OBS. So, give me a second. Oh, let's go. Alright, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.